subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we'll try to understand converting numbers from base 10 to other bases. In our previous video we have seen how to convert a number. How to convert a number in other bases to the decimal base. So this conversion has already been made, and these are the examples that we have seen, that we have covered in our previous example in the previous video. And the outcome of this, so in the converting a decimal number to a binary number to decimal number, a number in octal representation to decimal number, and the values of the conversion that we got in our previous video are these. So if you haven't watched our previous video, please watch our previous video and come back here, because the conversions in our previous video we have converted a number in any base to decimal base, and we have solved these examples in our previous video, and the output of this number conversion is these numbers. Now in this video we will try to convert numbers from base 10 to other bases, means these are the base 10 numbers, and we will try to convert these base 10 numbers to other bases. So we will convert back into the bases that are given here. So what we are trying to convert is, here all these numbers are base 10 numbers. Now we will try to convert this base 10 number to base 2, so same as this one. So we are converting back, and we will see we are going to get the same number or not. So why we need to convert a number in in the process of converting a number in base x to the number in base y, what we have to do is we have to convert the number in base x to base 10 first, and then we have to convert the base 10 number to base y. So this is what we have discussed in our previous video. In the process of converting a number in base x to base y, we have to convert a number in base x to base 10 first. So this conversion has already been made in our previous video. In this video we are trying to convert a base 10 number to base y, a base 10 number to base y, base 10 number to base y, base 10 number to base y. So this we will try to understand in this class, and the discussion about this concept was already made in our previous video. Every video in our channel is going to be a part of full course or a playlist, and our suggestion is to follow our complete course so that you can get a deeper insights of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So coming to this class, how to convert a number given in base 10 to another bases. So that we will try to understand. How to convert is, in our previous videos where we have discussed about conversion of a decimal number to binary number, how we have converted a decimal number into binary number. Please watch that video also, because the model that has been adopted there, the model that has been used there, we are going to adapt that model for every conversion. So in the previous videos we have converted a decimal number to binary number. The model that has been used is a double dabble method. So the discussion was clearly made in that video. Please watch that video and come back here. So what this double dabble method will do is, how to convert a number in decimal to other bases is, so that double dabble method has been specified for decimal to binary conversion. That double dabble method can be used for any bases, any decimal number converted to other bases by using the double dabble method. How that can be done is, divide the given decimal number with the given base to be converted. So the given decimal number has to be divided with the base to be converted. So what is the base to be converted? Here the base is 2. So divide this decimal number with 2. In this conversion, divide this decimal number with 8. until the quotient is 0. So in the process of division, until the quotient is 0, we have to divide that number. With what number we have to divide? To the base to which we have to convert. Okay, we will try to solve all these examples and we will check whether we are getting that conversion, so these values or not. Now coming to this, our first conversion is base, it is 10. It is a decimal number. 10 we have to convert it into binary. How to convert? So divide this decimal number until the quotient is 0. So if you divide this and we have to take the remainder. So the concept of double dabble has been already been discussed. So based upon that assumption that you have already watched that video, we are doing this video. So it is 10, it is 0, and similarly 2, it is again 2 and 1, 2, it is 1, 0, again 2, 0, 1. So now we have to take the remainder values from bottom to top. If you take the remainder values from bottom to top, the corresponding conversion will get obtained. It is 1010 in base 2. So the number in base 2, see here, 1010 has been converted to decimal as 10. Similarly, the 10 has been converted to binary as 1010. So the decimal binary conversion of 10 is 1010. Similarly, if you want to convert 445 in decimal has to be converted into octal number. So what we have to do? We have to divide the given decimal number with the base to which we want to convert. So the base to which we want to convert is 8. So divide this number with 8. Okay, now what it is 5, 4, 45, again 5, and the remainder is 5. So hope you know how to divide this. The remainder is 5. Similarly, if you take 8, 6 or 48, and the remainder is 7. Similarly, if you take 8, it is 0 and the remainder is 6. You have to take from the bottom to the top, the remainder values from bottom to the top. What is the conversion? What is the converted value? It is 675. The octal equivalent of 445 in decimal is 675 to the base 8. See here, 675 has been converted to 445 in decimal. Now coming to our next example, it is 431 to the base 8. So we would like to convert this 431 decimal number to the base 16. So for that to happen, we have to divide this number with 16. So if you divide this number with 16 two times, and we are going to get, it is 32, 11, 111 is 6 times, 111 is 6 times, and it is 96. The remainder is 111 minus 96, it is 15. And similarly, 16 one time, the remainder is 10, and 16, it is 0, remainder is 1. So what is the symbol equivalent of 10? The symbol equivalent to the 10 in hexadecimal number system, it is A, and the symbol equivalent to 15 is F. So the conversion is 1AF in 16. So the number is 1AF. Okay, so 1AF is equal to 431 in decimal. So this conversion has already been made in our previous video. Okay, next number is 8. We have to convert 8 into base 3 number. So what we have to do, if you want to convert a decimal number to a particular base, the decimal number has to be divided by the base. So it is 8, it is 2 times 2 times, and the remainder is, sorry, so the remainder is 2. Similarly 3, it is 0 and the remainder is 2. What it is? 2 2. See here, 0, okay, this 0 can be discarded. 2 2 base 3 is 8. So 2 2 base 3 is 8. Now coming to this 150, how this 150 can be converted to the base 9 number is 9 is it is okay, 16 times, and the remainder is 6. Similarly 9 one time, and the remainder is 7. 9 okay, it is 7. And similarly 9 0 1 176 to the base 9. 176 to the base 9 is equal to 150 in base 10. See here, 176 to the base 9 is 150 to the base 10. So these conversions are already made in our previous video. Please watch that video and come back here. So with this we have converted. So we have seen how to convert a number in base 10 to other bases. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. In the next video we will try to solve a number given in base x, how it will get converted into a number in another base. So hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.